Hello, great to have you watching again. 24 Trains TV is the fastest growing train library in the world. And this week, we have once again prepared a fantastic selection of new films for you to enjoy. Did you also know that you can now watch 24 Trains TV on the go? Thanks to our new app, you can enjoy over 5,000 videos available on 24 Trainers TV anywhere. And all of this for just $4.99 per month. A journey by train over the Gotthard line in the 1960s was reserved for a select group. Thanks to 24 Trains TV, you can also take such a journey. From Zurich to the Italian border, you travel over one of the most beautiful Swiss railway lines. On this journey, you will encounter various interesting vehicles and enjoy the breathtaking scenery. Small trains on a large track bed can be found at the Rudyard Lake Railway in England. This miniature railway is built on a former standard gauge branch line. During a gala weekend with many visiting locomotives from all over the country, the small engines have to pull long trains. And that creates fantastic sounds. Those who are inspired to start building models themselves can take advantage of the extensive series of tips and tricks from the American Train Masters. This series covers truly all aspects of model building, so whatever you are working on, Train Masters TV can assist you. The train of the week is the D4 from the Brotal Railway near Cologne. After spending several decades abroad, it returned to its old home base in December 2023. The challenging location of the Brotal Railway Depot makes delivering the diesel locomotive quite difficult. No less than 2 cranes were needed to get the machine back on the tracks. The result was spectacular footage, and you can find it exclusively on 24 Trains TV. That's it for this time. If you want to see more, you certainly can. After all, subscribers of 24 Trains TV have unlimited access to these films, and so much more. What are you waiting for?